Let's learn how to play Silent Night in 5 minutes. I'm playing on a high G ukulele, and it should sound something like this. Now to play this, it's actually pretty simple. We're going to start here looking something like this. Take your ring finger, place on the 3rd fret of the E string. And I like to use my thumb with something called a rest stroke. So I'm going to pluck through my G, C, and E together, and then play through these notes. Take that ring finger off. And then for measures 3 and 4, we do the same thing. Going on to measure 5, what I want you to do is build a G7 chord. Middle finger here on the 2nd fret of the C string, index finger here on the 1st fret of the E, ring finger here on the 2nd fret of the A. And then what I want you to do is move it up 2 frets, and then move your 3 frets actually, excuse me. So you're at 5 with those 2 fingers. And then take that index finger and move it down 1 fret to 3 on the E. So you're kind of stretching that G7 out. You'll notice that's the first chord here, 0, 5, 3, 5. You'll play that through, play the A string, and then you're going to slide back down to your G7 and play it. Going into the 7th measure, just take that ring finger, kick it up to 3 on the A, strum all the way through. And when you go to here on the 3 on the E, you'll notice nothing's played on the A, so I like to use my middle finger and just put it there. And when I do that, you'll notice I stop on the A string so that one doesn't ring. Going on to measure 9 here, we build a little partial F chord. Just take your index finger, place it here on the 1st fret of the E string, strum through your C, E, and A together, the A again, add the ring finger on 3 of the A, then middle finger here on 2 of the A. You can put it on before you need it, so it's ready to go. Open A, and then we're going to take that ring finger and put it back on 3 of the E, strum our G, C, and E. Play open A, open G, and through open. Going in the next part, looks the same because it is. You'll notice that measures 13, 14, 15, and 16 were exactly the same as 9, 10, 11, and 12. Going on to measure 17 now, this is where it gets a little bit more tricky. Take your index finger, place it here on the 5th fret of the A string. Take your ring finger, place on the 7th fret of the E string. Take your thumb, place it on the G string here on your playing hand. Index finger here on the E string and middle finger here on the A string. Pluck those 3 strings, the G, E, and A together, all by themselves. Play the 5 on the A again, and then take your pinky, add it here on 8 of the A, pluck your G, E, and A again, then take the pinky off, play 5 on the A, 7 on the E, which is already there, and then just slide this index finger down to 3 on the A, strum all the way through. And you can take this index and slide it all the way up to 7, and play that on 7. If you'd rather use your pinky, that's okay too. Either way works. Going on to the last 4 measures, we're going to play through our C chord, move our index back down to this 3. Then we're going to play open G, open E. And this is a little bit tricky, but middle finger here on the 2nd fret of the C string, ring finger here on the 3rd fret of the E, and go ahead and preemptively place your index here on 1 of the E, because you're going to play your G, C, and E together. Then you're going to play 1 on the E, 2 on the C, and you see how I took that ring finger off so that I had that 1 ready to go. Then open on the C, followed by your C chord. And there you have Silent Night in 5 minutes or less. It's a really wonderful song to work on sustain and trying to get your ukulele to sound as nice and rich as you can. If you'd like to download the tab, check out the link down below. I hope you all have a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much.